Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 12th day of May 2026. And here is the setup. If you've been watching us any time, you know we love our strong candle indicators. This little green triangle saying go ahead and take this trade long. So that's what we're going to do. Got a little bit of a comeback already, so we're going to go ahead and put the order on. Now, the question is, what kind of targets am I going to be looking for? And I expect the next candle to be somewhere around between 100 and 130 ticks in length. So we're going to go with our larger ATM, which means we're going to go for a 20 tick first target, 50 tick second target, and a 100 tick third target. And we went ahead and had the bit of a retrace. We'll go ahead and put the order on now, and we'll see how it all worked out. This is how it all went down in the live trading room today. Gotta let it do its thing here. We'll keep it at regular market speed until we get picked up in the trade because we want to make sure we get our targets in place. We don't get skipped on any of our contracts. And as soon as we get picked up, we can speed it up to show you the result. So beautiful retrace is exactly what we're looking for. But anytime you get a strong candle pushing off the trend indicator, that's usually always a good thing. This complex retrace just says we have a 15-minute long to go with that. So it's a larger chart move as well. So a lot of reasons why this is good, but all you need to know is that the strong candle indicator said go. Now there's a strong candle on the way down, but it's right into the trend indicator, and we don't trade into the trend indicator. So then we turn around and get a strong candle going in the opposite direction. Looks really nice. We're going ahead. First thing we do is put our stop where it belongs, which is the last major failure point. And then we wait for our first target to be picked up. As soon as that gets picked up, we de-risk the trade. And I may need, I think it'll just keep going. There we go. First two targets are out. And then we just look and see. I think this takes a couple of candles, actually. So if I remember right, I don't always remember right. You can see there's a lot of failure going along this brick wall right here. But this is a larger chart move, so we're going to give it some time to do what it needs to do. We can't lose any money. So far, we're 90 ticks ahead of the game. Our stop is at minus 18. So the worst we can do is what, 72 ticks profit? Okay, there's no reason to get out of the trade, so just let it go. Now, what we could do is move our stop underneath the current candle. That way, if it fails, we would at least get something out of it. There it goes, it pays everything. That took five, a little over 6 minutes to complete and was worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in a little over 6 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. And we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.